Hi everyone! In this little tutorial I'm going to show you how you can build yourself your own pencil trays. I used A3 plywood sheets from the nearest hardware store. You will also need a jigsaw, some wood glue and 1 or 2 clamps to keep your wood in place while you cut it into pieces. So I took my wood and drew the parts on it that I would need. I designed the measurements of my trays to fit an IKEA Paul desk shelf. You can of course adjust it to whatever size you need. I got 2 tray bases out of every sheet of wood, 42 by 16 centimeters. On the leftover part of the wood sheet I would draw 16 by 2 centimeter parts that would later become the dividers on the tray. I divided the base into 8 departments. For being able to get everything straight later, I drew on the lines already onto which I glued the dividers then. You need 9 dividers for the kind of tray that I did. So the first problem you will encounter while cutting out your bases is that a jigsaw will not go in the total length of your plywood sheet. I found an easy solution for that. Saw as far as you can get and then just break them in half. You can sand off anything that stands out later. After you're done with the base, you want to cut out the dividers. In the end, they should look like this. When you're done cutting everything out, grab your sandpaper and glue. If you haven't cut perfectly straight as I did, sand the edges until they seem straight to you. This will be important to get them to stick to the base properly. The wobbly surface will leave you with gaps under your dividers. When sticking the dividers onto the base, make sure you hold them in place for at least 10 seconds, so they stay put without falling over. Also, use the lines that you drew on earlier as guides to get the dividers glued on straight. And this is the final result. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you had as much fun watching as I had creating the trays. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!